Hello guys, glad to have you back for another market analysis video. Today if you look at Nifty spot has closed just around 22,900 and with just 2 weeks left before the financial year ends, 23,000 levels if it has seen a pretty good call rating of 1.2 crore. Here in this video, let's break down what this means for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow using market profile and order flow. Before we dive into our analysis, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's start our analysis with Bank Nifty. Yesterday, Bank Nifty has seen a strong buying, and I was also speaking about once the prices goes above 49,200 levels, there is a good possibility buyers will try to take control, and we will see 49,700 levels and 50,000 to 50,200 is very much possible. So what happened today, if you look at the opening itself, is a little gap of opening is there, and then prices tested the yesterday's close and then started moving up. So if you look at after 1.5 hours, it was a strong sideways market, and this sideways market itself, if you look at it is inside the value area of 13th Feb. So there is a good acceptance. So 50,000, I think it's pretty much locked in, and 50,200 area is also very much possible tomorrow or day after tomorrow itself, if at all the overall sentiment as of now it stands that we need to watch for. So if you look at here, this is where the buyers were able to push the prices all the way up to these levels, 50,180 to 200 levels in this area. But we need to look for how the price opens. Despite of strong buying, Bank Nifty itself has left pretty good references on downside. So if you look at the single print at 49,370, it has not been tested. Generally these needs to get tested out. These are the imbalances in the market. Once the market momentum fades, prices returns to these areas. That has not happened today. At the same time, there is a hopback reference, and exactly at this hopback reference there is a single print at 49,700 area. So again the single print, again it has to get tested. So for tomorrow, if at all there is going to be a gap of opening till market doesn't close below 49,840 levels on any 30 minutes, it is going to be up towards 50,000, 50,100 to 200 levels in futures. So any clean close below 49,840 levels on 30 minutes, it is going to come down towards this 49,700 levels, and there is an imbalance around this 49,610 levels. If you focus here, the close of this candle and the opening of this candle is a little higher. So this speaks about there is an imbalance. Prices never tested through into this previous candle. So again, these kind of imbalances, they get tested out. Flat opening to gap down opening, then there is a possibility of sideways market unless prices comes down below 49,470 levels. If Bank Nifty comes down below 49,470 levels, then we will easily see 49,360 levels, and it might even come down to all the way 49,180 levels, and there is a possibility it might cover the whole value area tomorrow or day after tomorrow itself. The overall profile itself, if you look at, it's a P profile again. So this indicates there is a strong short covering that has happened in the first 1.5 hours. So this speaks about a strong gap up possibility is there. If not gap up, there might be a up move with a flat opening. So where the market opens and which side the first 30 minutes breaks out is very important. So try to trade in that direction. If you look at yesterday, I was also speaking, look for 30 minutes to 1 hour breakout upside or downside. So the second 30 minutes high has been broken. First, the overall IB high itself has been broken. So it made a higher high. The high itself is around 49,875. So it's a strong sideways market. You can 100, 150 points for most part of the day. You could have scalped some points. So tomorrow also look for breakout of 30 minutes and 1 hour. That is going to give you some kind of direction. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Coming to Nifty, again, yesterday I was speaking about unless prices comes back below 22,840 to 830 levels, it is going to be a up. The opening itself is gap up. and prices tested the blue band single print area, and then it got rejected. There was a small up move towards the 22,990 levels. So the futures itself has finally closed around 22,970 levels. Again, why the sideway markets is there? In order flow, you will have plenty of clues. First sign is that there is not much of delta. 158 is a very small delta for a up move, and at the same time, if you look at here, there is aggressive buying on right side, but left side there is not matching passive buying seen. This spoke about the up move itself is not very strong. So because of that, there is a pullback, and then the prices got rejected. Again, there is not much of any aggressive buying. So because of lack of strong buying delta, it was a sideway market. So whenever you see a dull delta in the markets, it is going to be a sideway market. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking at, like Bank Nifty also has left a hop back around 22,920 levels. And if at all for tomorrow, what you should be looking is, if at all prices gets accepted below 22,970 levels, you can be pretty sure it will come down to the first target will be 22,950 levels, and second target will be this half back area. So again, if you look at the Nifty itself has made a higher high value, and this value itself is inside the value area of 19th Feb. So there is a good acceptance in this area. So there is a possibility till prices doesn't come back below 22,960 to 950 levels, it will go for 23,050 levels, which is the value area high from 19th February. And again, as I said, look for breakouts of first 30 minutes or 1 hour. So 1 hour is more reliable and 30 minutes is little less reliable. But if you follow which side of 30 minutes and 1 hour is breaking, then it will stack the odds in your favor. If you look at again at the closing in Nifty, there is a good amount of 576 unfinished business. So any moderate gap up, I think prices will try to come towards this level, and any sustaining below 22,960 to 950 levels, you can pretty much easily see this half back reference at 22,920 levels. And scalp for smaller points, don't expect any kind of trend. So any trend, prices needs to get accepted inside the value area like this. So this is with Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, check out the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.